In my many years of teaching, I discovered an obstacle that made it a challenge to both teach material and to learn material. Well, everybody, this is Nick Tituro, Professor of Information Technology and Computer Science, Lakeland Community College. And the problem has always been the labs, the applied knowledge, the tactile stuff, the stuff in which you are required to create something. I have done thousands of labs, and many of those labs take what I call a cookbook approach. You do step 1, you do step 2, and you get results in step 3. Now, that works, but unfortunately, if they're being very detailed and they tell you each one of the steps, you're not really learning, or you may not be grasping that material. Not in this book. In this book, they take a different approach, which I'm really intrigued about. They basically do is they teach you the procedures, the protocols, the things you need to learn in the chapter. And then the task that is assigned to you, they just tell you, provide X. And you have to provide X. So it makes you learn the material throughout the book, throughout the chapter, and then you are responsible to have that information and then create the lab. Very good labs. As in other videos you may have seen of mine, I've done these labs very, very quickly just to show you that the labs are possible. So that being said, let's go learn something.